Hi and welcome to Finn Loves Food. I'm Tina and today I'll be making quick and easy Pizza Capricciosa. When I traveled to Italy, I discovered a delicious pizza called Pizza Capricciosa. You don't really find this in pizzerias in the States, so I decided to make my own version. Pizza Capricciosa has mushrooms, olives, artichoke hearts, and prosciutto. It has the same toppings as Pizza Quattro Stagioni, but instead of having one topping on each section of the pizza, all of the toppings are mixed together. To make this quick and easy, I start with a pre-made crust and sauce. I'm using Boboli. It's not as delicious as the thin crust wood-fired pizzas you get in Italy, but it's still pretty tasty. I placed the crust on a pizza stone and drizzled it with olive oil, then spread the sauce from the packet. Next, I added some sliced fresh mozzarella. I've also used pre-shredded mozzarella. The rest of the toppings were placed on top and the pizza was baked for 10 minutes at 450 degrees. Buon appetito! Alright, so now I'm back with Ross. The Pizza Capricciosa has finished cooking, only took about 10 minutes. And so Ross is going to give it a try. Here is a slice of it. Not bad for a quick and easy version. It can never compete with the pizza I had in Italy. They have the wonderful super thin crust on the pizzas in Italy and they're cooked in the wood-fired ovens and they're just excellent pizzas. But as far as a Pizza Capricciosa inspired pizza, I think this is a good substitute.
It is.
What do you think?
It's very good. I like it. And yeah, everything tastes very fresh.
Yeah, and I think there are a lot of ways you could modify this pizza. So if you're vegetarian, you could leave the prosciutto off and maybe substitute another vegetable like onions or tomato would be good substitutes.
I was thinking maybe a little red onion.
A little red onion, yeah, that would be delicious. So you could also use pre-shredded mozzarella cheese. I've done that before and that makes it even quicker and easier, but I decided to try a little fresh mozzarella cheese for a change since that looks more like the way it's done in Italy. And I think it turned out pretty well.
It did. It's very good. Thank you.
You're welcome. So I think we'll finish this pizza up off camera. And if you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel. And until next time, ciao.
Ciao.
Chin chin.